Hey guys, welcome to Pumpkin's World. We're gonna hang the mesh now that I've let's see, what have I done? Put all the food away. Well, I have a little bit left here, but nothing that's gonna go bad. And answered nature's call. Time to try to do this. Okay, there's a couple of these, and then there's these little ones. Okay, what is? Okay, this is the top. Perfecto. Let's see now. Take the backing off. Shoot. And go from this way. Ah. You take the backing off, as I was saying, and we're going to put this up. Okay. Before I stick this, I want to make sure it's centered. Okay. Where's it? Now, I'm going to take the paper off this one as well. Okay. Because what happens is this is actually two pieces. Come on. Ow! I'm stuck. Okay. This is two pieces. So that piece is going to get glued to the top of the. Ow! Uh-oh. Crap. This is strong glue, I'll tell you that much. Because it hurts when it gets stuck to your hand. Okay. Alright, I need to move this up just a little bit. Okay, this gets stuck to the mesh. Across the top of the mesh. So let's grab the mesh. On top of it. This the tippy top. Here's where the mesh is near the top. Okay. Yep, here it is. Take this and you can go across like this. Okay. Yeah, this is not. Alright, I need to fix this. This is hard to make straight, I'll tell you that. Oops. Lord, it's not coming off. That's okay. It's time to hang this part. Because, we'll turn you back around. Then the easy part is putting the Velcro, or hook and loop, as I guess you have to call it. Oh God, I don't want to fall. Okay. Now put that up. Yeah, that is up except for the sides. That we can do pretty easily. There are options if you wanted to. Probably put that up too hard, didn't I? No, it comes to the bottom. Yep, it comes to the bottom. Let's come back and wherever we. Ow. Or maybe you can't see because I'm standing here. But anyways, that's why you need to do the sides. Look at that. That's awesome. I don't know if the bottom has one or not. But I'm going to do the sides. Here we go. Here we go. Hopefully you can see me. I have to do the top of the sides first. Hopefully you can see this happening. You know what? I'm going to bring you out here. That way you can actually see this part. Okay. Yikes. Alright, let's start you on this side. I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up. But I did learn a valuable lesson. And that is leave this one on until you're done. How? Until you're done. Okay. Right there. Let me get the lower ones on. Okay, this one's a little wide. Huh. That's okay. Get a little deeper on it. Because you know what? Move it in. So when it sticks to right there. Okay. Can you see over here? Probably not. Alright, I've done two. Now I need to go up until I'm tracking. Oops. Oh. You can't see the ones up high, but that's okay. Whoa. One in here. There we go. There we go. Okay. Here's another one. Trash in the pocket. Can you see? Crap, why are you turned over there? Hello. This one here, and this one over here. Now, there we go. Okay, now, let's try from my I forgot one down here. Alrighty, so we put that now. Oh, shoot. Yeah, you stick that like that. And then next, back in. Because what happens is that when you take it off, like in the winter time, you're going to separate the Velcro. Because there's two pieces of Velcro, one piece on here, and one piece on well. Okay. That's going to get pushed into the mesh because this is not going to pull over because of that. So that's fine. That side is done. Is it beautiful? Hell no. But that side is complete. Now, let's go on this side. Let's start here. This side's going to be easier because it's already pretty much in the spot we want it. And again, I messed up the top one, and that's okay. Here. There. Now I just have to go up here, do the last one. That was not hard. It's easier to take it off like this. I need to fix this stupid. This isn't even at all. So you're stretching the edge one. There. Now, going to this on the back of here. Just like so. Plump it on there. Okay. Alright. Okay guys, let me just take this in. So. Is it perfect? Hell no! I need to fix that top one. Hold on guys. I want to fix it. I think I have an idea of how to fix it. Like that. And then what's going on here? Top one needs to be moved a little bit. Okay. Top one needs to be moved a little bit. Oh my god. Okay. There we go. That's better. That will put that. There we go. Much better. Okay. I'm gonna fix this side. You're gonna have to have this thing flat. I don't know what you can and can't see, guys. So please bear with me while I fix this. Thinking. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Excellent. Except for that one spot. I don't like that. Let me take this and then this. Good. Excellent. Good. Perfect. I'm happy with that. Open it. And walk on through. You guys are walking through it. And now here it is from the inside. Well, this won't be a long video, but it's done. Holy crap. Let me close it. There we go. I am hot. Beyond hot. Okay. Hey guys. Scoot you down to my level a little bit. Leave that open. And now I have a screen. Yippee! Except at the bottom, which is weird. I don't have any strips for the bottom. That's weird. Huh. It looks like I need strips for the bottom. And it looks like everything's gonna come in down the wall. What was that thought? I think. Oh no, you can't have it on the bottom. Yeah, no, you can't have it on the bottom because you have to be able to open it. You have to be able to open it. And if it was stuck to the bottom, you can open it. So, yeah, that makes sense. Sort of. But it keeps most of it'll keep most of the bugs out. And it will keep the cats out, hopefully. I don't think, is this stuck to the bottom? You know what, I'm gonna go over and look. I'm gonna pause you and go. Okay guys, it is not stuck on the bottom. It's closed. Just that my door's a little different. But it's perfect. Especially from the inside. It's a little wonky from the outside, but it's perfect from the inside, guys. What I just found on my stuff. Is it a magnet? What is a magnet? That's cool. Actually, this magnet might go like that. I think this is an extra one of these magnets. This is an extra one of these magnets. So I'm going to hold on to it. I am going to end the vlog here. I know it's dark. I want to thank you for watching me put this up. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Please click that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Last video we're going to do today is the genealogy video. I'm going to go get the other one uploading. So that we can get started with that. I'll be back. God bless you and goodbye.